Welcome to the Informed Outdoors. My name is Michael. Before you click away, let me show you something I've discovered recently that you may not know about, and it might help you out. So let me tell you this brief story. So I was working on a little project to convert the back of my toy hauler into a patio deck, so you can attach some straps, some hard points where you can connect it, and all the kits that you could buy off Amazon were this kind of aircraft style cable and with some turnbuckles. And I looked at that, it was like $130, I think, something like, really expensive, and it looked pretty chintzy. So I thought I'm going to make my own kit. So I started by attaching the loops to the back of the toy hauler deck, and I went to PrincessAuto to look what they had for cables and thought, you know what, why not just use a ratchet strap? Off I went to the ratchet strap department, and I literally have bags of ratchet straps. I've used them for years, tying down everything, all my ATVs, motorcycles, you name it. I have a whole bag of them, and I hate them because I lose one end of them. They get corroded. I throw them out, I buy new ones. You get the picture. I'm sure if you've used them, you know how it is. So off I go to PrincessAuto down the aisle, and what did I see but one of these? And I was like, what is that? I've never seen these. Have you seen them before? You know exactly what it is. But it's a retractable ratchet strap. Not overly expensive really compared to a quality ratchet strap. I think a pair of these smaller ones is like $30, so not significantly different. So the way they operate is pretty simple. So you basically have one side that pulls out, one side that's fixed. You have this red button, so you just pull it out to the length you want, and when you're done, press the red button, up she comes, retractable. And then to actually lock it, put this out of position, like so, and now it's locked. And then you can obviously ratchet to set the length. However, if you pull out the whole thing, and this is where my hatred of ratchet straps in general is, you have to obviously tidy them back up. So there's different ways you can wrap them to keep them tidy. With this style, you just basically press the red button. It's done. How good is that? So I thought I'd just throw in this clip of me setting up the travel trailer patio deck here. And I'm using a different strap than the one I showed you in the video. This is a 10-foot, 3,300 pound strap, so it's much heavier. And it does a great job of holding up the tailgate, so we can use that as a little patio. It's been pretty excellent actually. It doesn't bounce around very much at all. There isn't a lot of flex. And I think this is so much better than using those steel cables, which I know from experience will stretch over time. And having to adjust those turnbuckles each time that you want to get it level is a real pain in the butt. With this, all I have to do is crank the little ratchet strap a couple of times, and I can level that deck to any angle that I wish. It's a fantastic solution, and I'm very happy that I discovered them. So I wish I'd discovered these years ago, and I've started to convert all my straps to these type now. So I have some of the big ones that we saw putting up the back of the travel trailer there. These are for my motorbike, and very happy with them. All my straps are now going to convert to this style, I think. I'm not sure how well they're going to do in mud, etc., because of the mechanism. So that's something I'm going to have to kind of watch and make sure I keep them clean, or put them in places they're not going to get super muddy, because that's one of the problems. But just for inside the travel trailer, tying down stuff in clean environments in the back of the truck, etc., it's a game changer for me. I'm very happy I found them. I want to share that with everybody because I'm excited, because it's something new, and yeah, somebody made some that makes my life so much easier. So if you already know about these, you're probably having a giggle to yourself like, how could you not know? But if you haven't seen them, maybe check them out. I've seen them in a couple of places. PrincessAuto has a whole schwack of them, different lengths, different strengths, etc. And that's where I picked these up from. So take a look. These ones are made by Ericsson. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you've already discovered these things and it's changed the way you tie stuff down, or you're willing to give it a go and try some. So until next time, take care. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.